Welcome to the Sense of Market Politicians Trades tutorial. Why is this data so valuable? Under the RISC-GRAN, members of the U.S. Congress are required to publicly disclose their stock, bond, and options trades within 45 days. Because these individuals are deeply involved in creating legislation that can affect various sectors of the economy, their trading activity can sometimes provide a unique and valuable perspective. This tool allows you to explore that data transparently. This is the main dashboard for tracking political trading. It's split into two main sections. So here you have a list of prominent politicians. Each card gives you a quick summary, including their name, their party, and chamber, e.g. Democrat House, their estimated net worth, and their portfolio's recent return percentage. You can click See More on any card to go to that person's dedicated page. The main thing is a feed of the latest trades. You can toggle the view between a list view and a group view. The group view, as seen here, organizes trades by the politician who made them and the date they were transacted. Here you have a search bar to find a specific politician, like Nancy Pelosi. Clicking the Filters button opens up a powerful menu. Here you can filter all the trades on the site by date range, the trade's returns, the transaction size, the transaction type, like purchase sale or partial sale, and the ticker type, like stocks or options. This allows you to really narrow your focus to the most interesting trades. When you click on a politician, for example, Nancy Pelosi, you're taken to their personal dashboard. At the top, you'll see a quick summary: their name, estimated net worth, which is $231.57 million, total trade volume of $169.21 million, the number of trades they've made, and their last trade date, January 14th, 2025. As you can see, this page is organized into three powerful tabs: trades, current portfolio, and net worth. Let's start with the Trades tab. The Trades tab gives you a complete history of their trading activity. Here you see two charts. The trade volume bar chart shows you the median size of their transactions year by year. Below that, the top traded sectors donut chart shows a breakdown of which industries they are most active in based on total trade volume. The main section is a detailed log of every trade they've disclosed. The columns here are the stock or option, ticker, whether it was a purchase or sale, the date the trade was executed, and the date it was reported. A detailed summary of the transaction, for example, purchased 50 call options with a strike price of $150. This shows the performance of the asset since the date of the politician's trade. The Current Portfolio tab shows you what the politician currently holds based on their latest disclosures. The donut chart on the left visualizes their holdings by percentage, and the table on the right lists each ticker, its current value in their portfolio, and its percentage allocation. The Net Worth tab provides a broader financial picture. You see a line graph charting their estimated net worth over time. A donut chart breaks down their top holdings by asset type, such as stocks, ownership interests in companies, and real property. The main table gives a detailed list of these assets, including the amount range, the owner, like SP for spouse, the income generated, the income type, like dividends or rent, and the filing year. So let's go back to the Trades tab and click on one of the Change Since trade entries. I'm selecting the ticker TIM. This is where we can analyze the performance of a specific trade. When you click on a trade from the list, you're taken to a dedicated analysis page. This page gives you everything you need to know about that one transaction. So see here, the trade details box recaps the information: the transaction type, the amount, the stock details, the politician's name, the owner of the account, the exact traded and disclosed dates, and the full trade description, and the stock chart. This chart tracks the stock's price over time. Most importantly, it includes markers showing the price right before trade and the performance after trade. This helps you visualize the context and outcome of their decision. Below the chart are two critical performance metrics: price change since trade. This shows how much the stock's price has changed since the politician made their move. A SPY changed since trade. This compares the stock's performance against the S&P 500 SPY over the same period. This is crucial because it tells you if the stock outperformed or underperformed the general market, helping you judge the quality of the trade idea. From a high-level overview of all congressional trading to a deep dive into a single politician's portfolio, and even analyzing the performance of one specific trade against the market, Sensamarket Politicians' Trade section is a powerful transparency tool. It allows you to see where influential lawmakers are putting their own money, providing a unique edge for your own research and investment ideas.